Hello students, good morning to all. So today we'll continue our discussion on lesson 2 Internet Services. So today we'll study about the search engine. So what is search engine? Search engine is an application that helps a user to find the information or documents from the vast sea knowledge that is the internet. So search engine refers to a huge database of the internet resources such as web pages, news groups, programs, images, etc. User can search for any information. The user can search for any information by passing query in the form of keywords or phrase. It then searches for relevant information in its database and return to the user. So see, this Google is a search engine. So here in this search box we type the phrase search engine components. Generally there are three basic components of a search engine: web crawler, database and search interfaces. Okay. So searching is the desired web page. Searching the desired web page and finding the exact information is not an easy task. So in this kind of situation, search engine plays a significant role. So we type some keywords in the search engine and the search engine provides a list of relevant web pages. So using a search engine, what we get a plenty of information available on the internet, and to make the effective search on the web, we need to select a search site and compose the search criteria carefully. So first of all, I have to visit a search engine. Most popular search engine is the Google. So open the Google by typing www.google.com in the address bar and press the enter key. Conduct the search. To conduct a search on the Google, type the text which you wish to search for in the search for text box. Here, this is a search for text box. Here you have to type and press the enter key. So to conduct a search on the Google, click on the search button, begin the search, view the search results. Search engine will display the best matched pages. Best matched pages. To view more results, click on the next hyperlink at the bottom of the page. So to view a particular search result, click on its hyperlink. You will see the linked page. Some of the most popular search engine addresses are. So now I will show you. Let's suppose if you want to search any information, how you can use it. Let me minimize it. So that is the, we have to open the Google. That is the Google Chrome browser we have here. Let me open this Google Chrome. Now, web crawler. So what is this web crawler? It is also known as spider of boards. Web crawler is called a spider of boards. It is a software. Web crawler is a software component that traverses the web to gather information. It visits each web server and gathers the information. Database. All the information on the web is stored in a database. It consists of a huge web resources. Search interfaces. This component is an interface between user and the database. It helps the user to search through the database. Search engine working. How the search engine works. So you can also see most popular search engines are AltaVista, Bing, Google, Yahoo. All these are the search engines. And how does a search engine work? You can see in your figure 2.7, the book, page number 39. So first, the web server sends the query to the index server. As you can see here, the Google user sends its query to the Google web server. So the web server sends the query to the index servers. The content inside the index server is the similar to the index in the back of a book. It tells which pages contain the words that match any particular query term. So can the query travels to the document server, which actually retrieve the stored documents. Snippets are generated to describe each search result. Then after index server, it goes to the document server. It takes the snippets of each pages which contain the result, and after that the search results are returned to the user in the fraction of a second. So you can see the web crawler, database and the search interface are the major component of a search engine that actually makes a search engine to work. Search engines make use of Boolean expression and or not to restrict and widen the results of a search Following are the steps that are performed by the search engine. The search engine looks for the keyword in the index for predefined database instead of going directly to the web to search for the keyword. It then uses software to search for the information in the database. This software component is known as web crawler. So this is Google Open, Google Chrome. So this is the Google Chrome, this is the search box. Here we have to type. Suppose you want to search here about the image of Mahatma Gandhi. So what you write, image of Mahatma Gandhi. Now press enter. So here it displayed you the many images, links where you can find the images. When you click on it, so this is the hyperlink. The page contains such type of images open. See, that is the images of Mahatma Gandhi. Like this. The search engine looks for the keyword in the index for the predefined database instead of going directly to the web to search for the keyword. It then uses software to search for the information in the database. This software component is known as web crawler. Once web crawler finds the page, the search engine then shows the relevant web page as a result. These retrieved web pages generally include the title of the page, size of the text portion, of first several sentences, etc. Now see the architecture. The search engine architecture comprises of three basic layers listed below: content collection and refinement, search core, user application interfaces. You can see content collection and refinement. This is the database connector, web crawler, SharePoint connector, file server connector, LDAP connector. Connect refinement system. This is the search core, search engine, search analytics backend, security module. This is user application interface, web services, jellyfish, search application query completion, search analytics administrator, end user, web service. Search engines are the unique entities to retrieve information on any topic. So to perform the search, suppose you want to search a country India. So type India in the search bar and press the enter key. You will find a new screen with all the results matching to your query. Next is the indexing software. So about the spider or web crawler we have studied that this search engine uses extremely efficient software called the spider or web crawler. This spider continuously crawl on the web to comb out any newly published web pages or documents or newsletters and find their web address. As soon as the user enters a keyword in a search engine, the spider crawls from one server to another in a matter of microsecond to compile a massive list of matching results of the URLs. Within the blink of an eye, the results appear before us. Indexing software. The next step involves the indexing of all the search results. The spider sends the list of all documents and their web addresses to the indexing software, which extracts important information from them and prepares index of the same. The information is stored in a database and is used at the time of searching. So the level of indexing varies from search engine to another search engine. Every search engine has their own algorithm for indexing. Some search engines prefer to index every single word in a document for better search results in the future. Search algorithm. Whenever we perform search by entering a keyword, the search engine searches its index database using a sequential method called the search algorithm. Once the search operation is completed, the matching documents and their corresponding URLs are displayed to the user. So some search engine tips, some tips to optimize your search. To get the exact results, add a query in double quotes. If you are searching for best-selling books in India, so write in double quotation mark best-selling books in India. If you do not include query in double quotes, Google will produce a search result based on the individual word from the query. Imagine you are searching for a quote and you do not remember it fully. So to search for such an exact quote, you include the text in double quotes and add the asterisk symbol somewhere between the words. There is nothing except change will produce the exact result. To ensure a word or a phrase must appear in the search result, add a plus sign before the search word. Hyphen symbol is used to remove certain words or phrase from the query result. What is good and bad will produce the result excluding the word bad. What is good and hyphen bad means bad will exclude. What is good and bad will display the query result with the word bad in the phrase. If you find it difficult to compare two items and you want to make the best choice after going through the differences, in that case add vs between the search items for the comparison results. BMW car versus Jaguar car. Okay. So this is all for the today, students. In the next class we'll continue our discussion about the search engine.